it's your girl VIRGO Queen T, and I am back with another video. I'm here to show you guys how I will be making my smothered turkey chicken wings. Well, chicken wings, sorry, not turkey wings. My smothered chicken wings. So let me tell you exactly what I'll be using. I'll be using the Tyson chicken wings. It's about 10 to 12 in there. I will be using the Tyson chicken wings. I will be using some reduced sodium chicken broth, cayenne pepper, some sazon, parsley, paprika, black pepper, seasoning salt, garlic powder, 2 cans of cream of chicken. I'm sorry, y'all. And also I'll be using this Jimmy foil pan just to bake my chicken in. Excuse the lasagna part, but I can use it to bake my chicken in. I'll be adding some glory greens to my dinner tonight, and also some parboiled rice. So I am going to get the chicken ready, excuse me, and I will show you guys exactly how I got it seasoned. You can see now that I have my chicken panned and cleaned off, I am going to start seasoning my chicken, and I will come back and show you guys how. So now I will be going ahead and seasoning the chicken. I hope you guys can see. If not, I'm sorry. I will be showing you how I season my chicken. So I'm gonna start with my garlic powder. And you just want to give that a good coating. I love garlic, so I make sure to coat well. Next, I'll be taking my seasoning salt and doing that same thing. I have my paprika, which I'll be adding to this. Excuse me if y'all hear thundering. It is pouring down where I live at right now. So So next, I will be slightly using the cayenne pepper just to give it a little spice. Not too much, but just enough spice. Alright. Now, I will be adding some ground black pepper to that as well. I know it might seem like a lot of seasoning to you guys, but trust me, it is not. I'm gonna toss the chicken and mix it really well. I love the taste of great seasoned food, so this is my method. It doesn't have to be yours. You can use different ingredients if you choose. I'm just showing you my way. Now we're gonna grab a pack of sazon. And if you guys never use sazon, it is my Goya. It is delicious. It gives coloring to your meats. And it has great flavor. So, yeah. So I'm gonna take my sazon in each tray and give it some taste. adding some parsley to that, just for the garnishing. I like my chicken to look presentable, look pretty, so I love parsley. I love to garnish pretty much everything with parsley. It just makes the presentation beautiful. Plus, I love the taste that it has. Weird, but that's just me. Sometimes you really have to douse hard to get all the parsley out, because it act like it don't want to come out sometimes, guys. So I like to get a good amount, like I said, for garnishing and everything like that. I like to have a decent amount to mix in to my chicken. So that's what I'll be using. So I'm gonna come back once I get the chicken all mixed together. I'm gonna mix it from the front to the back just to get the seasonings on each side of the chicken, and then I will come back and show you guys how I will add the cream of chicken and the chicken broth. I have my chicken nice and seasoned. I showed you all the seasonings that I used. That looks amazing already. And I haven't even finished the touches on it. I already have my oven set to 355. That's just my preference. You can set it at 325, 350, depending on how you. I like my chicken to really cook through, and my oven gets fairly hot. So again, these are the seasonings that I use on the chicken. I am gonna rinse these cans. I wash those can tops off before I open them. I was always taught to do that. Just like to rinse my cans with a little soap and water before I open them. I'm just using some cream of chicken, low sodium condensed soup that I'm going to put into the pans of chicken and mix around. And then I'm going to add some reduced sodium chicken broth to that, and then I'm going to put it in the oven, and I will come back and I will show you guys exactly how my chicken chicken looked, excuse me, I'm tongue-tied, after it is finished. As you can now see, I added that cream of chicken soup to my pans, and I added my chicken broth in the low sodium to that pan as well. I just covered the chicken with the cream of chicken, and yes, this is the condensed soup that I use, so it does have little pieces of chicken in it, which just brings out the flavor inside the chicken wings even more. Sorry for the thunder, guys. So that looks so good, guys, and trust me, when it comes out the oven, it's going to be really good, really flavorful. And yeah, so we're going to cook that. I am going to make some glory greens, and I'm going to make some rice. I don't know if I'm going to record that or not, but yeah, so in my glory greens, I do buy them like that if I don't get them freshly picked. I would just buy them like that just to do it a quicker way, and I will add my own seasonings to that just to bring the flavor a little bit more. Like I said, I'm gonna boil me some parboiled rice. You guys know that I like to clean my rice and boil it fresh. So yeah, I will show you guys exactly what the chicken looks like when it comes out. So like I said, you guys do not have to use the ingredients that I use. This is just my method of making my smothered chicken wings. It is going to really be good, guys. It looks delicious, you gotta tell the truth. But yeah, guys, so I will come back and show you my finished product. This is my smothered chicken wings recipe. It looks so delicious, you guys. I just took some of the broth out of the bottom and rebasted a little bit with the juices from the bottom, and we are ready to eat, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can try this recipe if you like, but yes, there we have it.